Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Dear Ming, Chapter 1, Part 1. So here it is, let's read the story. There are countless of flowers and branches, youth and beauty. Well, every one of them are gathering. There's someone chanting, "Are you happy? I will accompany you. You're drunk, and your fragrance." Well, it seems that this district guest came in and sat down. Good poem, good poem. Why don't you go building and making much with your hot poems? Right now, there's someone calling on this old man. Suddenly, he got irritated. But, Lord, reward a few money. I haven't eaten for days. Seems that blind boy begging for money. He got scolded. Start and open. What a disappointment. Right now, the boy is crying. Got punished by the old man. Suddenly, he really got surprised. Boink, boink, boink. Free gold suddenly put down on the empty plates. The boy seems to be surprised. He really got punished and now someone help her. To his shock, the girl said to her, "Oh, it turns out this was really girl, pretending to be a boy. Right now, she looks really handsome. Thank you, son. You are so kind." Well, the boy right now, speaking of the gold coins and other bronze, it seems that this girl is really wealthy. She's seen by others. Ladies are coming to her. This guy is so handsome. Best man. This young man is so handsome. Not good. The Orion also fell in love with him. Well, it turns out she is a girl pretending to be a boy right now. Well, this young man, I give you my face and talk about love with a little girl. Excuse me, please allow me to refuse. Oh, she really blocked that girl. Son, what about me? What about me? She will pay attention to them. Right now, it seems that she was not really interested. All of them seems to be so popular with the girls. Water 3000s. Well, Chapter 1, The Mysterious Guest. After the commotion, well, it seems to be a fine night. Right now, girl is drinking a glass of wine. Well, right now, she's drinking to it. The moon is already set, and it seems that this girl is really lonely right now. She was drinking alone until the final drop of the wine half into her mouth. Looks really gorgeous, calm, and so sophisticated. Looking at her, she poured a wine again. His cup. Well, she will fill it again. Suddenly, there is someone interrupted her. Everyone is sensitive. Looking at it, there's small little girl behind her back right now. And she was with a cat. Elder sister, right now, the little girl's calling her. Have you lost someone important too? Absolutely. Gorgeous said to her. Where did the yellow-haired girl came from? Sorry, I was rude. Little girl said to her. But it seems that there's really no worries about her. I just watch you offering wine as sacrifice. I miss my mother. Little girl said to her. But right now, who could the big sister misses right now? Hello sister, my name is Shaosai. It's called Liu. It's pertaining about a cat. We just arrived today. It turned out to be a baby. Daddy, well, the little girl right now, she can help it on herself. Little girl is crying hard and put the family's meals in the pocket. After, just Liu and I defend on each other. Child. Veran. Oh, it seems that there's a person behind their back, but seems that it's getting mad. You're lazy here again. Why don't you go pick up the guests? Oh, light her up. Spin is scolded by her mother. Little girl is asking her, The little girl seems to be curious in everything. Oh, ho, ho, look how ignorant you are of the world. The madam here, the mother of all the girls. From now on, I'm your mother too. Little girl said, really? Someone is adopting her. I'll keep you and happy at ease. It was really cool. Madam said to the little girl, okay. Madam said to her, this is the chick. It's very cheap. This is really troublesome. She went to dangerous place right now. Old man said, it seems to be very good. I just like to eat tender ones. Ah, Mom, what is this for? Hey, hey. Well, this is bad. Or, you have to eat after you finish your work. Do not touch me, little girl said to him. I beg you, the little girl said, I can do it. Well, as for her right now, she need to rescue that girl. Guest officer. She really get interrupted to save the little girl right now. What does Shuwer know about Fang Xiongsu? Not as good as. She really want to help this girl. Put focus on herself, not by the little girl right now. Now she said to the old man, let me serve the guests tonight. I want it. Came here on your own. I don't want to add any money. Everything is determined by the guest officer's wishes. Right now, you can replace her once, but not forever. Well, for this moment, thanks to her. Oh, Suyu. She is really kind. Suyu, take a old man to the room. Now, the madam does this to save the little girl. Everyone here has a bad life. Recognize your situation as soon as possible. Right now, this rich girl, Madam House. Oh, let's hope she can really help Suyu, especially. Hey guys, thanks for supporting this channel. This manhwa is only exclusive on membership and will not posted on FB and regular videos. Have a good day everyone. Thanks guys.